So guys, kamusta kayo? Kasi September 11 na, malapit na ang birthday ng Tito Ira nyo. It's September 19, God. What the fuck is happening, bitch? Yes. And, kamusta na kayo lahat? Kasi, lahat kayo ay maganda, mapogi. Lahat kayo is gabi na. And is 10 p.m. in the night. And we got a thunderstorm in Friday, boy. Tuesday and Friday, bro. We got a thunderstorm in that case. No, today we got a thunderstorm. And the Friday in the